I'm Steve. This is Cherie from Nano Boost. We're in Tasmania, beautiful Tasmania. We're going to talk about nano rolling lubricant additive. Have you got a nicer word for that for people to remember?
NLA.
NLA. Sounds like we're going to LA, which is cheating. You have a little bit of an American accent.
Just a little bit. I did spend a bit of time over there with those Yanks. But,
The Yankees.
I'm back here in Aussie land.
Aussie land. All right, Cherie, so Nano Boost is about helping people with fuel economy using your products, and this is for engine oil and engine parts. So let's pretend I'm just a normal guy. I don't know a lot about stuff, but I've got an old Land Cruiser or a Land Rover and it's blowing a lot of smoke. Is this going to help me?
That will help the bottom engine,
Yep.
and that will help the oil. When you put in your fresh oil, you put this in with it, and it'll last twice as long. So it reduces the friction even more with the oil.
Right.
And it also increases your fuel economy,
Yeah.
reduces your emissions as well.
Okay.
And yeah,
So if I'm
it
blowing
saves money.
smoke
You probably would need the fuel additive
as well, because that's going to work in with the pistons.
Yes. That's
Okay, right, okay.